Hi guys, welcome to yet another show. In this video we're going to look into our new module, which is basically a computer controller wireless control relay board with 4 optocoupler input also. So in a nutshell, basically this is a small relay module which have 4 relays, which is good to run your household appliances. The relay rating keeps on changing, but currently I see it is a very good relay at around 12 ampere 250 volt something, which is very good for normal household appliances. And this has like 4 optocoupler input. So here you can connect the 12 volt power supply, and here you can connect your RS-232 serial port or something. This is basically the PIC microcontroller which handles all this communication. So in a nutshell, basically you can use your computer to control this relays, or you can read input from this input terminals, or it can alert you if any status on this input terminal changes. So what basically it's good for, like it is a complete self-contained module in itself, so you don't have to worry about programming anything here. You might not know how to program a PIC microcontroller, or you might not have a costly Picket 3 kit and all those kind of stuffs. So for example, you are very good with Arduino or 8051, so you can simply use your Arduino or your computer or something like that, and can use the serial communication to control these relays and read input. You can, instead of directly connecting it to your computer, you can use a Zigbee wireless modules, or you can use a Bluetooth wireless module. And because it's a very small size, so it can fit into your electric board and all those, and you can wirelessly control all these devices, take readings using your mobile phone or your computer or anything. It is completely self-contained. You don't need to program anything here. It is very easy to use using serial commands. I don't have this thing serial port, so I am using a USB to serial module. So basically I'll just connect the power supply. So I am now connecting the power supply. And you will get some welcome message on your putty. Now it is ready to be used. So to get the to actually turn on any relays, you just type O for on and the relay number from 1 to 4. So I press O1, and as you can see, relay 1 is on. I just press O2, O3, O4. Now again, to turn off any relay, I can press F and 1 to 4, F1, F2, F3, F4, and as you can see, all the relays are turned off. I can get the status of any input using S and 1, 2, 3, 4. So to get the status of input 1, I press S1, S2. Now I'll just show you. I'll connect this power here from the board itself, and you see the status of input 1 has changed. Now to get the status, I press S1, and as you can see, the input status is now showing as on. I have removed the power and it says input status for 1 has changed. Similarly, I try with 2. 3, 4. Like if I want to read the status of 4, I'll press S4 and it gives me the status of S4 is on. I remove it. Now there is no power supply connected to the input. I check again the status of S4. It says off. So using just 2-letter character, first letter S, O or F and second letter 1, 2, 3, 4, you can get the status of the inputs. You can turn on or off the relays using your computer's serial port, or you can use your Zigbee wireless, Bluetooth wireless devices to basically use to wirelessly turn on and off your devices. So your computer or your Raspberry Pi or your any main controller might be anywhere else, and and this module would be somewhere else far away, connected to the devices or to the outside door, magnetic contact switches and all those. So when your main door is open, it will alert your computer that it has detected status change on the input 1 or 2 or something like that. So that's the beauty of this device. It's like already programmed for you. No need to program anything, just ready for use. So you don't need to know PIC and all those things to use this board. You can just directly use it with whatever your current environment is, whether you are write a desktop application or whether you use your Arduino or whether you want to use your Raspberry Pi. Thank you guys for listening.